Agabe day bagajing ujor ijahar pershayu Thomas Sangma MLA kaseng NPP dagaway ka kentay ka banashalong halor kajingle bi ijot yaka Conrad Sangma menteri rangba kajala ulong bana kaliang ka sorkar kan pentikana bagajing shisha kan mi perthai barbaka an kan le Kaba Donkam klem kajing penwit nekiwe par kibor.
This is of course a very personal matter. I don't feel it appropriate that we as a government should respond to it. It's something that has happened at an individual level. And from our side and as a government, the only thing we can ensure and assure is that law will take its own course. We will ensure that there is proper investigation that takes place. We will ensure that the truth comes out with proper investigation and that there is no influence or no pressure from anywhere to in any way affect the investigation process. That's the only thing that the government can say from its side.
Habrakali la on when kam ne MU na kashuki Conrad ulong bayamenta ka sorkar kamla bansurai kerki klampat dep ikajing toket kapabanya.
It will be very unfair for us to just simply jump to any conclusion. It will be appropriate for us to ensure that we are fair to everybody in this. That includes both the people concerned. And therefore, only a proper investigation and the facts once they come out will give light to the entire situation. And then, based on what investigations come out, we can take necessary action and we will take action if that is the case.
Umalakman Rymbui menteri ki kampo yeng ru ulapan pau bakani gari ka kam jongkaan berkaan hi kasale Kaba Donkam.
This is a personal problem of different people. If the FIR has been filed, law will take its own course. I am nobody to comment on that issue.